Hey, what are you puppies doing? You're gonna follow me everywhere, huh? You're gonna follow me, huh? Let's go. Oops. Let's go over here. What are you guys doing? What are you doing? Are you following me? Are you following me? I know you're following me, huh? Look at you, cute little girl, huh? Okay, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Can I walk this way? One, two, 3, 4, and 5. What do you guys think? You're just underneath me, aren't you? I'm catching some sun. And there you are. There she is. There she is. And there's another one. Are you guys done trying to trip me? You done trying to trip me? These are Kisses and Aussie puppies. They are 11 and a half weeks old. And their tails are not docked. All females. What are you doing, big girl? Those ones are getting in the mischief. You're the good girl. You're a good girl too. Say, I'm tiny and I don't get into any trouble. Huh? I'm tiny and I don't get no trouble, huh? I'm a good little girl. Come here. She says, uh-uh. She says, uh-uh. Where you going? Where you going? What you doing? Come here. Hi, baby. Come here. What you eating? Stuff in the cracks.